Do you remember Cama's first videos?
Yes, Father loved his work so much he always showed us videos of the machines.
Back then, you immediately understood how the day had gone as soon as he entered the house.
True, but always with the utmost respect. So many pages were written for each project.
Yes, it's true. The years in which we had everything to prove and nothing was ever taken for granted.
Daniele, but do you remember when we started?
So much mess. I remember spending months in accounting, checking invoices.
And you in your 20s? You were sent off to France for an installation and we didn't see you back home for months.
They certainly were intense periods in our careers, which left us with some strong foundations to pave the way ahead.
Because every conquest is always the result of hard work.
And then we started traveling a lot to have a better understanding of our markets and our customers.
The world seemed enormous to us. America unattainable and Russia
Complicated. But we had clear ideas, and that was demonstrated in our timely results. In a certain moment, our very own melody became a great orchestral symphony.
It was time to tune the instruments.
Cama Group has always considered innovation as the fuel needed for constant acceleration. The conversion of an excellent machine into a top-quality modular line at industrial level, the constant analysis of data and the continuous optimization of production processes are the factors that have allowed Cama Group to grow exponentially, quickly transforming itself from a family-run, tailor-made company into a private one, leader in a packaging world. Because for every peak you reach, there is always a higher mountain to climb. And it's precisely with this spirit that Cama Group, by quadrupling its operating area and settling in the new Molteno hub, is ready for a present time that increasingly looks to the future in Italy and in the rest of the world.
Listen.
It's the same melody as Dad's.
It's only now that it has become a great concert.
Cama Group, we work together. We feel the passion, you feel the passion. A brand you can trust.